I'm Adam Steele, and luckily I have Melanie, our GM here at the Warehouse Gym, to teach you how to use the 13th floor machine, the Kick-Ass. This is a hyper invention, essentially for the glute and hamstring tie-in on how to improve not only the kickback motion, but have a full 180 range of motion with the dynamic resistance, creating a stretch and the eccentric movement all the way continuously and evenly through the concentric movement. So let's break it down. Mel, you want to show me how we get on this thing? As you can see, it has a central pad for your knees. So you can, just like in a hamstring curl that's isolateral by hammer strength, you can pivot from right leg to left leg, and then she's able to sit back slightly to get her foot in position on the nice zip tape we have here. And there's a couple of good foot positions, and then you just take the resistance and you push all the way around and through and straight out. Good squeeze and bring it down and control. The biggest thing with the stretch here and this dynamic movement is controlling the resistance, allowing that stretch, and then pulling back through and straight out. Perfect. Nice. Absolutely fantastic. Awesome.
How's that feel?
Amazing.
Is it kind of hard?
A little bit.
Yeah, we're on 10 pounds. We actually ran this during our workout. We were using about 35 pounds, the both of us. It doesn't take a lot of weight. Try it empty. It does have some resistance. And then stack like 10, 20, 30 pounds, see how you feel. But one thing I'd like to point out, as you can, maybe really quick, is you can hit some different areas by how you position your foot on the inside or outside. So as you can see, Mel can kind of step to the outside. She can kind of swing her foot and then able to target and pivot her pelvis to where she can get that really nice upper shelf and exterior. Boom. Fantastic. And as you notice, with the hip sockets coming all the way around, and you get a full stretch beyond 90 degrees on the hip. Perfect. Nice. Then you want to perfectly show how we can easily, you just transfer nice large upholstery foam pad. You can easily transfer. Yep. 1 second. So, oh, my bad. Nice. So as you can see, nice large upholstery foam pad in the center. She can easily transfer to her other leg and position right on the pedal swing arm with the grip. Get the same stretch all the way around. And then sit back on it nicely so you get a full stretch. And perfect. Good. God, this thing's awesome. I'm telling you what. Tell me of a better form and shape that you can get any sort of activation with a movement like this. Just look at that. Dang. Killing it, huh? Hell yeah. Oh, amazing. See how she's able to utilize to change her foot position her upper body and her pelvis in an area to where she could target. You can't get anything like this with a cable swing. The control, the resistance on the downward swing, complete stretch all the way through, being able to stabilize your hips and your upper body. Unbelievable. Nice. Awesome. How'd that feel? Super good.
Best machine.
Yeah. So it's really great. We like it. So far, the reviews have been crazy. It's got bump stops, counterweight, full resistance through the entire range of motion. Don't be afraid to let go if you need to. Just make sure that you control the weight. It's all about getting the work, not the heavy weight, all right? So come and try the new Kick-Ass here at the Warehouse Gym. Let us know what you think about the tutorial. Comment, like. Don't forget to like and subscribe, all right? And make sure you give this thing a try, all right?
Thank you. See ya.
See ya.